Hi, welcome to the Azalea Inn. I'm Noel, the chef here. We're in Savannah, Georgia. This morning we're going to put together some fresh fruit, banana pancakes with a banana caramel sauce and some sausage. Okay, so here we are. We're going to start our banana pancakes. We have self-rising flour, brown sugar, 2 eggs, half a stick of melted butter, a couple of bananas, and some buttermilk. So first what we're going to do is take 2 cups of self-rising flour, level it off with a little bit of a shake, put it in the bowl, and then we need 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. We'll put that in there, and we're going to just use a whisk, mix this together real quick, loosen it up so there aren't too many big bumps. Yes, I wear black and white and I end up looking full of flour almost daily. So get that ready. That's our dry. In our wet bowl, we're going to start with a couple of ripened bananas. And for this part, we want to mash them up. I use a potato masher. I find that part works the best. And just take and we'll put our bananas in the bowl. Set that off to the side for now. And just start mashing the bananas up. So not only does it have banana in it, but we also, when we make the sauce, we'll put bananas on the top. Once we get the bananas mashed up, we're going to take and add 2 cups of buttermilk. Just going to loosen up the banana and the buttermilk here. Couple of eggs. I'm gonna whip those in there a little bit. Mix this all up. It's gonna look lumpy because of the bananas. And that's our wet. And then what we'll do is, we're going to add the wet to the dry. The key to the pancakes is to not overwork it. It's going to be lumpy, but if you work it too much, you'll have flat pancakes and they're not going to be as good. And I start with the pancake batter first because I like to let it rest a little bit while we do our fruit course, which is our starter. And you can kind of see the lumps in it. And at the end, I'm just going to gently fold in the melted butter we had on the counter. Just like that. You'll still see lumps of flour in it. It's okay, once it's put on the griddle, it's all going to cook out and it'll work out just nice. So there we are. We have our pancake batter. Pancake batter's resting. Now it's time to make the banana caramel syrup. We take 1/4 cup of butter. You're going to take a 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. We have a 1/4 cup of water. We're going to put all this together in the pot. And the recipe says a teaspoon of vanilla. I love vanilla, guess what? We just give it a shake. The syrup on the stove on low. Move my griddle out of the way. And we won't add the bananas till the end. If you put the bananas in when you're cooking the caramel syrup, they tend to get really kind of woody hard. So at the very end, we'll have this, we'll cut the bananas, we'll pour it over the top of the pancake. So we have our pancake batter ready, our sauce, caramel sauce over here is going. I'm going to preset this oven right now for 350. And that is going to be for our sausage. We have a jazzy sausage mix. We don't just put sausage on a pan and send it out the door. We mix it up with some brown sugar, coriander, cumin, cardamom. We just lightly sprinkle it. And we'll have that ready to go into the oven. It doesn't take very long for them to cook. We'll get that oven hot and kind of time it all out where the pancakes finish about the same time the sausage does. So now we're going to put together our fresh watermelon flour. So I've taken a minute, used a couple different leaf cutters, melon baller, cut out some watermelon, kiwi, mango, and honeydew. Now I'm just going to assemble them on the plate. It's really kind of simple. It's fun, but it's fresh. We'll just keep layering everything up. We're going to put the kiwi in the center. Sorry, didn't look right to me, so we're going to just adjust it. We'll put kiwi there. And kiwi there. And then we'll take our mango melon balls. And we'll set those right on. So just a few minutes of cutting out the melon, we can just assemble it and build it up off the plate a little bit and get a variety of melon and different fruits and make it look nice. Okay, so we're almost ready here. I'm gonna take the sausage, preheated the oven. We're just gonna slide that in real quick. I'll get that going in the oven. I'm warming up the griddle right now to 350 and we are just about there. And what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of butter with my spatula. And nothing wrong with butter, so we'll put quite a bit on there. We still have our resting pancake batter behind me. I'm going to grab that in 1 second. We got our butter. We've got butter on the griddle. The light went off. She's sitting right at 350. You can see our pancake batter is still kind of lumpy. I use a scoop. What we do is we're going to make some small pancakes, but we're going to make a lot of them. Normally we do it this way and I serve up about 8 of these to a person stacked up on the plate. So if you come into Savannah, it's okay to walk around because you'll have something to work out by the time you get done with breakfast. So the pancakes have been going, they rise a little bit, there's a few bubbles coming out of them. We're going to flip them over. Golden brown with that butter on there. You can slowly kind of see them coming up off the griddle as we flip them here. And those will be ready in about 3 or 4 minutes. So now while sausage is in the oven, pancakes going on the griddle, we're going to take one more banana. And like I said earlier with the syrup, we do not want to add the banana at that time. Bananas get kind of firm after they've sat for a little bit. So we're just going to take and slice some banana up here now and have that ready. So when the pancakes are done, the syrup is warm, the sausage is cooked, we can put the plate together. Okay, so the pancakes are ready. The sausage is just about ready. We're going to start plating. We'll stack pancakes up. We like to stack them nice and high here. And we're going to put them on the plate. So I'll set those on the plate. You can set your plates up any way you want. I like to just take and put the bananas around the edge a little bit here, like so. And we're going to put that right over the top. Kind of get it down around those bananas a little bit. We have our caramel syrup, our bananas, our pancake, sausage patties with the jazzy sausage just came out of the oven. And I'm just going to take those and we'll set those on right here. And there's our sausage, our pancakes, our banana. And I have a little bit of whipped cream here because who doesn't like whipped cream on there? So now we're going to have banana cream. And top it with a piece of mint. We have jazzy sausage patties with banana pancakes.